Hi, welcome friends. Do you have a problem in feeling joyful and feeling good about yourself? Yes, many of us have this. You know why? Because most of the time we are thinking about, when we think about ourselves, we don't think about the good thing about ourselves. We think about what weakness we have, what problem we have, and what then we focus on that, and we don't feel joyful and peaceful about yourself. So do you really want to feel joyful about yourself? This is a 3-step process, a simple process which you can do it right now when I'm talking to you, and you will instantly feel good, joyful about yourself. Yes, about yourself. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I welcome you to my YouTube channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction. Now if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. So are you ready now? 3-step process. Very simple, my friend. First step is, yes, take a pen and pad. Grab a pen and pencil. Very important, so that you can record what I'm asking you to record. Now, so that not only thinking, when you record it, it becomes more and more powerful. Now think about activities and tasks which you are really good at it, which you do it really good. Now this task should be task which you can do good about it, maybe writing something or giving a speech, or it can be anything which you are really good about it and people compliment you on that. Yes, people like what you do also. Now write down those things. Don't write the things which you do very good but you don't like it. Think about the thing which you really like to do it and really enjoy doing it, really feel good about doing it. It can be anything. So write down at least 5 things you do very good. Very important. And then the first step is, take a moment and think about what it makes you good. What it makes you good. What you actually do to do the things and feel good about it. What actually do to make that thing really good. Maybe, and then give it a name. A name. Say for example, you can solve puzzles very well. What does it mean? That means you are good in solving problems. If that is your good thing, write it down. Give a name to it, what you are good at it. Really give a name, a single short name. So once you have written down these 5 and give it a name, what really make you feel good, read them again, my friend. The moment you read them again, you know what will happen? It will trigger the joyful, blissful, enjoyable feeling about yourself, instead of you focusing on something which you are not good at it. Remember, we have both good and bad, but what we focus on we get. So focus on something where you are really good at it. Do this exercise as often as possible. Pick up some more activities which you really feel good about it, which you really do it very well. And when you do it, these are your strength, my friend. This technique is called list your strength. You can listing your own strength, and then when list it, write it down. What happened? First you think about it, then you write it about it, and then you read it. What happened? It gets programmed. Instantly you feel fantastic and joyful. So do this exercise and then come back to me and let me know how you feel about it. Write a comment there. Plus, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Plus the most important thing, my friend, right now, as you know that normally I conduct a live physical workshop in Hyderabad on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction. As the coronavirus, I am not doing it. So what I have decided to do, some WhatsApp classes, so that we can get lessons on WhatsApp. So if you are really interested in this kind of workshop, click on the link below, call us or WhatsApp us, we'll send you the detail. We do it now almost every week. I will do this workshop every day on self-hypnosis, law of attraction, EFT, persuasion, and many more topics there. So if you're really interested, let us know. Thank you very much and see you personally soon. All the best.